In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly navigate between pages so that you can edit different pages on your website without always needing to navigate back to the dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and select a website to get started on. Let's click on sportsfootage.com. As you can see, we have some different pages that we're building out for the website. We have a home page, a contact us page, an about us section. We have a podcast list, video list, and a blog page. So let's go ahead and click on the home page to get started. We can look at the top menu bar here where we see the domain that we're working on, sportsfootage.com. And if we click on the drop-down menu here where it says home, we have the ability to quickly edit any of these pages. So this drop-down menu is going to show you all the current pages that are on your website. And we can, for example, click the About Us page. That is going to navigate us to the About Us template where we can start creating and working on customizing this page. If we wanted to quickly navigate over to our blog, we can come back, click on that drop-down menu and select blog. And now we can work on, creating and customizing our blog. All right, so that is a very effective and simple way to navigate between pages. Let's go ahead and come back to home. Now, when you do import and work off of a homepage template through this software, you will see a menu bar that is added. You can also hover over and simply click on any of the pages through this menu bar, and you will be able to navigate to the pages. But in case that you do delete that for stylizing reasons, the gray menu bar at the very top will always have a drop-down menu where you can navigate easily between pages so that you don't always have to navigate back to your dashboard and go through the entire process of selecting a page to customize.